I repeat the previous statement. It won't accept our Microsoft Fabric free trial won't accept Gmail. So whether you should have a company email ID or else like you can go with the Zoho email. Anything is okay.
Sir, what we have to create, sir? Not understood.
Just email account to create it. Just
Okay.
a email account.
Okay.
Yeah. From the Zoho you just create it. So email shape should be like this: your name at the rate zohomail.in or .com, whatever it might be. So it is asking you for OTP. It will ask you your phone number. Just to submit this. It is here access Zoho mail. Save it. Hi Nitin sir. Laptop daleda. Sir, once login tell me. Just in 1 minute, your work will be completed. So Jyoti Kumar, you have done. Jyoti, can I make you host for 2 minutes? We know you have completed done. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm making you host, Jyoti. And Jyoti, your host now. Can you share your screen? Yes, Srihari, you have done. Yes, I see your screen.
Yeah, I have created.
Yes, Zoho email is created. Now in a separate window, go to the another what you call incognito mode.
In this one, I don't have incognito.
Okay, okay. Okay, then do one thing. Here in the browser, search for app.fabric. App.fabric.microsoft.com. All of you, please do this.
ఇది ఈమెయిల్ సెట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మంత్లీ ఇయర్లీ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ సార్.
Zoho email.
అవును సార్. చూస్ ది రైట్ ప్లాన్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్.
ఫ్రీ ప్లాన్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే సెలెక్ట్ చేసేసుకోండి పంచాయతీ. ఇది యూజర్ నేమ్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవాలి.
స్టార్ట్ 15 days ఫ్రీ ట్రయల్.
దేనికి ఇక్కడ జోహో చూపించింది అదే.
అవును సార్.
15 days ఫ్రీ ట్రయల్ ఇచ్చేసాడు నేను.
ఓకే.
ఈమెయిల్ ఇంకా యాక్టివ్ కాలేదు.
Okay. So since test mail also I have some.
The test element sunshine. Good morning. The next. All of the remaining people, at least try the same. Hmm. Email incorrect. Exactly. Okay, just from my
ఫస్ట్
side.
అకౌంట్ ఏమైనా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి సార్ అంటే ట్రైన్ ఫర్ సైన్ ఇన్
It will ask you directly sign in on the app.fabric.
ఓకే ఓకే
So if the email is first time, it will that is equal to sign up.
ఓకే
If email ID that already registered, it will ask you the user ID password. Okay, 1 minute. You stop the screen share. Yeah.
So it may asking add a existing domain or buy a new domain when setting up the Zoho email.
I think you're not from India. I think is yesterday night only I created. It is activated. Coming to the incognito mode. What is that? app.fabric.microsoft.com. Just I am giving the previous email ID here. Okay. Say submit. Verification completed. Directly you will get like this. So first as usual, okay, this thing is just what kind of email. So there is high chance that it will reject if we say it as a personal. That's why I am choosing the option. I got it from organization and say it next. First, I will take a screen.
Personal email, it is not applicable.
Sometimes it is taking. Wait, I will keep this all the screenshots into. అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. I will copy all these things into Google Docs. Okay. So simply say next here. Title. Then laptop తెచ్చుకోలేదా ల్యాప్టాప్ అకౌంట్ సెటప్ చేసేయాలి So in the next step, sir, first step, I just selected as a business, the email as a business. One minute, sir, here, the classroom projector is not coming. One more time. Okay. Sir, online team, please tell me your progress.
I am able to create the account, but with my name. And when I try to log into Microsoft Fabric, it says it looks like a personal email address. It's not allowing. So I need to actually create another one.
So instead of choosing personal email address, choose organization. So
No,
that
it doesn't. It doesn't
on
give that
top of
option.
that, one more option is there.
It says in the let's get you started. It says it looks like his personal email address. Sign in with work email address.
Gmail, it won't accept. Try with Zoho.
Yeah, I try with Joho,
Okay.
but it doesn't
So
allow.
for me, I think here it is accepting. Just let me
I
complete.
had a work email address, so I just signed in with that.
Okay.
I was able to get in.
Okay. So I'm giving just a full name. Let's say practice D. Oh, this is my personal details. I mean, Sri country, any one region I'm selecting. It's not a particular rule. And business phone number, I think now phone academic OTP also 9391676360. Phone no, data engineering. So this is the second step I am doing. All of you see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So next it is asking me confirm the set up the password. Just confirm that password. Verification code to the email ID. Let me check.
So shall we choose country or region US? Country or region?
Anything is not a problem. So I think this is the recent 6934440. 6934440. Is it correct? Correct. So
Job title
before
or to use job title.
title give data engineer, data science, anything data related give any role. It's not fixed. Almost all the information I have provided. Accepting the terms. Say next. For me, confirmation. You have selected Microsoft Fabric free. This is the final confirmation. Then finally, I'm saying get started. I just entered into Fabric now. So at the time of creating our account, we assigned some password, right? That login password. This phone number, you valid your phone number can contain number space. Okay. Is asking phone number data.
So verification code, it will come to our Joho email, right?
So, through phone number also you can log in. One minute. ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి సార్ మళ్ళా మాట్లాడదాం నా ప్రాసెస్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తా ఉండండి ఐ జస్ట్ సైన్ ఇన్కి ఇచ్చాను 1524 let's keep this account secure. Later we will see. I'm saying next. Microsoft authentication. We'll try. First of all, my mobile, I'm verifying my mobile is having this authenticator on. One minute, sir, in the mobile, I'm opening authenticator app. If you don't have authenticator app, just create it. Just a free download. Say next. Giving some QR code, trying to scan. Almost it is done. Once this QR code is scanned, I could able to log in. but it is not scanned. కొంచెం మీరు ఇట్లా రండి, ఆ సిస్టమ్ పక్కన పెట్టేసేసి మీరు పక్కన కూర్చోండి, నా మొబైల్ మీరు ఆపరేట్ చేయండి. I take these 2 copies, later I will use them. Sorry, these 2 things I will send to my WhatsApp. Then I can work it from things. That is one link. First one is code. So I separately copy that into that. That is code. Second one link I am copying. Those 2 things. అయినా పేజ్ ఓపెన్ కావట్లేదు మొబైల్లో. నా లింకే పెట్టావా? యాప్ ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది కదా.
అందులో కోడ్ డైరెక్ట్ గా పెట్టుకుని
సరే కూర్చొని యాప్ ఓపెన్ చేయి, చైర్ లేకపోతే. Right, sir. System side, my work completed and doing these 2 configurations in the mobile. ఈ కోడ్ ఇవ్వండి. కోడ్ అడిగినప్పుడు అది మెంటర్ ఎంటర్ మాన్యువల్ అని చూడండి. You did it? Nine 793 79 408. So please update me your status from your side, sir. మీరు ఆథెంటికేటర్ యాప్ తీసుకున్నారా మొబైల్లో?
అని కోడ్ కొత్త కోడ్
న్యూ కోడ్ అడుగుతున్నా.
అదే నెక్స్ట్ కొడితే చేసిన మళ్ళీ నుంచి
సార్ ఆల్రెడీ నా దగ్గర ఒక మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ అకౌంట్ ఉంది, ఫైన్ గా సార్. వర్క్ స్పేస్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఉంచాను ఆల్రెడీ.
మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్
ఆల్రెడీ నా అకౌంట్ ఫ్రీ ట్రయల్ ఉంది, వర్క్ స్పేస్ ఉంది ఆల్రెడీ అండి. ఓకే కదా.
అందరూ ఒకసారి సెటప్ చేస్తున్నారు, అందుకని ఒకసారి
అంటే అంటే చేద్దాం అనుకున్నా కానీ ఇప్పుడు నా ల్యాప్టాప్ కూడా లేదు. ఓకే.
Bharat, say when I try to open it, say I have shared my screenshot. I don't have an options to create an account, switch account. This is from my organization.
Organization it is not accepting.
Yeah.
ఓకే, ఒకసారి ఇది నాది కంప్లీట్ కానివ్వండి, లెట్ మీ కంప్లీట్ దిస్.
Okay. అందుకే.
రావట్లేదు. Authentication registration has timed out.
Generate a new QR code and try.
Hmm?
Generate a new QR code and try.
నా క్యూఆర్ కోడ్ అసలు స్కానింగ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. సో ఓల్డ్, సో స్కానింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ యాక్సెప్టింగ్. దట్స్ వై లైక్ మాన్యువల్లీ ఎంటరింగ్ అనమాట.
యాప్ అప్డేట్ చేశాను.
ఇప్పుడు చేయతలే, మళ్ళీ న్యూ వెర్షన్ తర్వాత చేసుకున్నాం. So once this entire authenticator, everything is completed,
గూగుల్ అథెంటికేటర్ కూడా ట్రై చేయండి.
సెక్యూరిటీకి దానిగా పంపిస్తాడు. Once the Fabric account is done, you will be logging like this. Once that sign-in process is completed, you will be getting this. This is another different Zoho email account. What I created previously, that is just for a trial now. So once everything, all the account creation, all authentications completed, you are getting this. This is what homepage of your Fabric. So observe the options here. Once login, look at this one. This option, workspace. Okay. So if you go click on these workspaces, it is showing the list of existed workspaces. Default workspace name here, my workspace. So generally in organization, here some terminology you need to remember. Number one is tenant. Tenant means entire organization. Tenant means entire organization. In my organization, there can be 100 employees, 200 users, or 300 users, it doesn't matter. Okay. So tenant means organization. So here it is treating my account. So what is that here? Zohomail.in, it is treating it as a tenant. Okay. For example, Brawley, Bharat at Brawley.com, it treats that Brawley as a tenant. Within that Brawley, there can be hundreds of users. Understand the point? So within that tenant, you will have to create workspace. So how many workspaces you are creating, that depends on how many projects that you have. For each one project, separate workspace you will be creating. Or else for each line of business, you can create one workspace. Got it. Suppose you want to maintain data marts. For sales department, one workspace. For accounts, another workspace. In this way, that depends on how many streams of business lines you have, or else how many different products that you are dealing. It depends on that you will be good. Okay. So I want to create workspaces. Okay, just click on this one. Here observe new workspace. Just I'm giving the workspace name. Practice done. This name is available. Okay, this workspace is not globally unique. Okay, within the organization that is unique. So practice demo I have given. Assign to domain, that is optional. If you want to upload any logo or pic for your workspace, you can upload here. But we don't need all the things. Now look into this. What is the role assigned here? One. Okay. Owner is just like a root admin. And then apply. That means you are not doing any changes, only the workspace name you have as practice done. Later, how to do the settings and how to manage the security of these workspaces in later concepts we will be discussing. So here, under once workspace is created, you are a data engineer. What are all the different things that you have to create? Suppose if it is data factory, what you are creating? Pipelines. Okay, if it is data factory, you are creating pipeline. Suppose if it is Spark, what you have to create? Notebooks. All these things are called items. Item can be a notebook. Item can be a Lakehouse table. Item can be a pipeline. Finally, what are the developer component you are going to create? That is called item. Understand? So just click on this site. A new item. What are the different samples are here? So what is this? Copy job. Copy job means where this fall under which component? Data factory. Data factory. Dataflows Gen 1. Gen 1 world, Gen 2. Whatever it may be. Dataflow is mainly for transformation. That is also a part of data factory. Understand the point? What about event stream? It comes under event stream. Capture, transform, route, real-time event. That means we have a component called Fabric real time. Understand? All these are the different samples already they have provided. So it's a pipeline. This is notebook. Then what is the difference between this copy job and this pipeline? This copy job only extract and loading. This pipeline, not only the transformation. Once copied and remaining activities to be done, a lot of other activities to be done. So in data factory, pipeline means is a sequence of activities. Copy data is just one activity. Like that, get metadata one activity, filter one activity, lookup one activity. Okay, collection, control flow of those activities, simply called as pipeline. Okay. So still other components, just observe. This is Spark job. What you can do with here? Define, schedule, manage your Apache Spark jobs. Generally, to maintain all these things in regular on-premises environments, we have Apache Airflow. Similar to that, suppose you have job 1, job 2, job 3. In this way, different jobs are there. What you are expecting is after completion of job number 1, job number 2 should be executed. If job 2 successful, then only job 3 should be executed. Such kind of job definitions, such kind of orchestration of the Spark jobs. That is by Spark job definitions. And still go top notebook. Here in the notebook, what you can do? especially over here. This is for Spark notebooks.
Same like Google Code.
No, same like Google Colab here, Spark Colab, Spark notebook. Okay, here you can do pure Python code and PySpark code, and also other languages also it is supported. Understand? You can use machine learning libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, those things you can use. Got it? So finally, your major work will be with these notebooks, whether you are a data scientist or a data engineer. This is a goal. So normally, so difference between normal Python machine learning code and this Spark machine learning code. What is the difference? This is a parallel process. Parallel process. Suppose if I write some machine learning code in the Python, that will be executed by single machine. For example, one of the popular algorithm, random forest is one of the popular algorithm. Random forest is a collection of different decision trees. So generally we choose 99 trees or 101 trees like that. Suppose in my Python code, 100 decision trees I selected. What is the execution style of that random forest is first tree 1. After completion of tree 1, tree 2, then tree 3. On that way, if I have 100 trees, all the 100 trees will be executed one after one. Same if I do same code with the Spark. Understand? These 100 trees will be executed parallel. Suppose to execute one tree, 1 minute is the time required. In traditional system, what will be the time? 100 minutes. Same thing in Spark, 1 minute. 1 minute plus little extra time to collect the independent results. Understand the point? So like that. So in this way, different services, all these services under one single workspace. So previously, before this, in Azure, what is the style? Data factory separate component. Azure SQL separate component. For machine learning, Azure ML you have, that is separate component. To process your big data, Databricks you are Azure, that is separate component. Of course, all are Azure family only, but there is no, everything is isolated. There is no connectivity between one to one. If Databricks wants to fetch the data from Azure SQL database or Cosmos DB, a lot of connections we need to set it. Understand? But here now you are in a integrated one common workspace. This workspace is having all the facilities. But for all these things, some storage is required. For all these things, some storage is required. Where is that storage? One lake. In one lake, what is the format of the data? Delta. Understand? You work with data factory. Okay. It interacts, it reads from delta, writes into delta. You work with notebook. Notebook reads from delta, writes into delta. Understand? Suppose with the data factory, suppose with the copy job, I have loaded something into delta. Can I work with that data with the notebook? Yes. Because it is writing into delta, it is reading from delta. Again, the processor results, again it is storing into delta. Understand? In this way. So this is what like a basic our work environment and UI here. Right? I think power is off. All of getting my screens are here in the office, power off.
Yeah, visible.
Yeah. All of you note my email ID and please submit your once configurations are done, please share your screenshots to me. Huh? So if anywhere stuck, so independent individually I will connect to each one. We will solve. So this is the free trial yesterday or the day before day we have created. So this will be available for 2 months. Once this is done, sir, once you sign in, Alright, screen is off. Observe here in the last, in the settings, in the last, you have start fabric tray. Start fabric tray. Okay. So just activate it. And also one more thing. Observe the left side bottom, sir. Observe the left side bottom. Exclude.
No. Okay.
Fabric. So there you will be getting two options. Fabric and also now I'm just switching. Okay. So when you click on the start fabric trial, it is asking you to activate it. Just to click on activate. So Power BI trial has started. Got it. Now look at this bottom. Now I have two options. Left bottom, just check it. In the left bottom.
Yeah.
Two options. One fabric, another one.
Power BI.
Suppose your purpose is only to visualize the data. You want to create the dashboards, go to Power BI. Okay. Before generating the dashboards, you want to perform some data operations, data cleaning operations, transformations you want to perform. Go to the fabric anymore. Got it. So this is a simple one. So based on this, all of you set up your accounts today. So afternoon onwards, I will be free. If you have any connection issues or sign up issues, so please connect with me. So separate timings in the Zoom timings. I schedule the Zoom meeting with you. Individually, I will schedule. Depends on. Suppose your account is successful, no need. You could not able to create account, we will try it. Suppose in USA that Zoho is not working fine, then I create one Zoho from here and I will share with you. With that, you try it.
Well, sir, quick thing. There is something called temp mail that I kind of used to
Temp mail
register.
is not accepted. Yes, tried.
Okay. So I think between US, India, it's different. For me, it's accepted.
Yeah, just create.
I took that and kind of registered already.
Okay.
I'm into Fabric now,
But
but
you could not able to create workspace. You could able to sign in into that one. But at the time of creating workspace, this tenant has used so many accounts on that way, it is giving some warning message or error message to you. Okay.
Okay.
Temp mail is not working out. But Zoho or else like if you have Outlook, you go with Outlook. Outlook also it is accepted.
That's fine. Yeah.
So temp email will not work because I also able to sign in with temp. I am also able to sign in with temp and able to create it, sign in and create a workspace also.
Workspace created?
Yeah, created.
Yeah, same with me. Yeah, I pasted the screenshot as well.
So
to log in.
the business domain it has given now. Look into my screen. pazuric.com, right?
It need not be that. I think it can be anything, sir.
It can be anything.
If you refresh, I got a different .com.
After 1 hour gap or 2 hours gap, create one more and sign in. What Ruba?
Yeah.
1 minute. Sir. So tomorrow onwards we start working with this. All of you, please finish your setup today. And also please share me to this email ID.
We have to give the business email option only, right, brother? While creating the Zoho account?
Choose business option.
Okay.
I posted my email ID into chat. All of you, please.
Quick thing, will that be like Power BI Pro or Power BI Premium per user option when for choosing the workspace type or creating workspace? Will that be Power BI Pro or Power BI Premium per user?
Go for premium, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bharat, you're pasting the screenshot in some Google document, right? Can you give me that link?
Keep it in, please keep it into Google Doc and share me that link, sir. Huh?
Okay.
And the semantic model also, it's asking whether it's small or large. Like go with large for now?
No, go for small.
Small one, okay.
Okay, sir. All of you submit me. I need to get ready for next Python session.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.